Today, we have the Bruder Cat Track-type Tractor. The model number is 02444. This realistic tractor is for ages 3 and up and is officially licensed by CAT. The tractor is 1/16 scale, which means if we had 16 of these toys together, it would be as big as the real tractor. On the front of the box is the cutout with the Bruder Cat Track-type Tractor, and the 4 pictures below show different Bruder construction vehicles in action. On the right side, we have 2 images, the Cat wheel loader and this Cat Track-type Tractor. On the back, we have more images of the Bruder construction fleet, including excavators, bulldozers, and a truck transport. We also have the toy description in multiple languages. On the left side, we have 2 more images, the Cat telehandler and the Cat compact truck loader. On the top of the box, we have the official Cat logo, the warning label, and the toy description in English and other languages. On the bottom of the box, we have the toy small parts warning in multiple languages, the Cat official sticker, and the Cat logo. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. First up is the setup manual. Then we have the information packet, including a catalog. Then we have the small parts that are attached to the track. And last, we have the hitch accessory. And this is everything that comes in the box. Now that we have the Bruder Cat Track trailer out of the box, let's get started with the setup manual. It looks like we'll need to add these little rubber treads to the track. We can remove each piece by spinning it off the holder. Let's start by flipping the tractor over, and then we can apply the rubber treads. Just like that. Then we can add the rest every few slots. On the back of the tractor, we can replace the multi-tooth scarifier with the hitch accessory. The hitch accessory can be used with other Bruder accessories like the rear hydraulic arm, plow blade, road sweeper, or even a winch, which is all sold separately. Now let's take a closer look at the realistic tractor. Starting off, we have the engine exhaust pipe. Then in the front, we have the multi-position blade. It can be angled to the left, centered, or to the right. Let's take another look. To the left, to the right. The blade can also be lifted up and locked to the left, centered, and to the right. There's a very detailed interior that can accommodate a brooder figure. On the back, we have the multi-tooth scarifier. It can be moved up and drop down. Lastly, the tractor moves on realistic tracks over any challenging terrain. Now let's see the tractor in action. The front blade is used for clearing and leveling surfaces. The realistic tracks make easy work of the rough ground, while the scarifier is used to loosen compact, difficult terrain. The realistic tracks make it easy to get to anywhere the tractor needs to go. And this is the Bruder Track-type Tractor. Thank you for watching.